Welcome to a world where elegance meets simplicity, where subtle tones set the stage for a serene and stylish home. Picture this, a space drenched in soft, warm neutrals, where calmness and sophistication coexist. Enter the magic of Greige, the perfect blend of gray and beige, making waves in interior design. If you've been craving a modern, minimalistic look that speaks volumes with its subtlety, this color palette might just be your dream come true. Greige is not just a color, it's a lifestyle. Its versatility allows it to work beautifully with a range of design styles, from contemporary chic to rustic charm. Whether you're renovating your living room, sprucing up your bedroom, or overhauling your entire home, Greige brings a sense of balance and tranquility to any space. It's the unsung hero of modern interior design, a color that doesn't shout for attention, but quietly commands respect. So why choose Greige? It's the ideal balance between warm and cool tones, allowing it to complement a variety of furniture, fixtures, and decor. In this post, we'll walk you through how to incorporate this minimalist palette into different rooms, transforming your home into an effortlessly stylish sanctuary. Greige living room, the perfect balance of warmth and coolness. The living room is where your style comes to life, and with Greige you can create an inviting, serene environment perfect for lounging or hosting guests. Start with Greige walls. This light, neutral tone will allow other elements in the room to pop. Combine Greige with rich wooden accents, plush furniture in soft whites or muted tones, and a pop of color with decorative pillows or artwork. Don't forget to layer textures to bring warmth and depth into the space. A cozy Greige sofa, a minimalist coffee table, and a soft wool rug in a darker gray or beige create a timeless, modern vibe. The beauty of Greige is its adaptability. It can seamlessly blend with other shades like muted greens, soft blues, or even darker hues like charcoal. Greige kitchen, understated elegance for your culinary space. If you're envisioning a modern kitchen with clean lines and an elegant feel, Greige should be your go-to color. For the cabinets, opt for a light Greige finish that gives a modern, sophisticated feel without overwhelming the space. Pair this with sleek stainless steel appliances and warm wood accents for an ultra-modern yet cozy atmosphere. The beauty of Greige in the kitchen is its ability to act as a neutral backdrop for any decor style. Whether you're adding a touch of greenery through plants or opting for glass jars with natural elements like dried flowers or wood, the neutral tone of Greige ensures everything feels cohesive. Greige bedroom, creating a serene retreat. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, and greige is the perfect color to create a relaxing retreat. Soft greige walls paired with white bedding and a few accent pieces in darker shades like charcoal or navy will turn your bedroom into a serene escape. Greige subtle warmth is ideal for a cozy atmosphere, making it the perfect choice for a space where rest and relaxation are paramount. For an extra touch of luxury, add metallic accents such as gold or silver to your light fixtures, mirror frames, or decorative trays. These touches bring depth and dimension to the room, creating an effortlessly sophisticated vibe. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment about what you think of the greige palette. We love hearing your thoughts and seeing how you're incorporating these ideas into your own space. Greige bathroom, a luxurious minimalist touch. Greige is also an excellent choice for bathrooms, where it can transform the space into a modern oasis. Pair greige walls with white tiles or a statement gray and beige marble countertop. To enhance the minimalist vibe, opt for sleek, modern fixtures in chrome or matte black. A greige shower curtain or bath mat can seamlessly tie the entire room together. For a more dramatic effect, combine greige with deep, moody tones like forest green or navy blue for a spa-like ambience. The calmness of the greige will balance out darker shades, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere perfect for unwinding after a long day. Greige accents, adding subtle touches of style. If you're not ready to go all in with a greige room, start by incorporating greige accents into your existing space. Think greige throw pillows, rugs, artwork, or light fixtures. These small touches can make a huge difference in how cohesive and elevated your space feels. Greige adds a refined, understated element that enhances the existing colors and textures in your room. For instance, greige throw blankets in the living room or greige curtains in the bedroom can transform the space without overwhelming it. If you're feeling adventurous, mix greige with other neutral tones like taupe, ivory, or soft browns to create a layered, modern aesthetic. Greige, a color that grows with you. One of the best things about the greige color palette is its timelessness. As your style evolves, greige can evolve with you. Whether you prefer to add a pop of color or keep things neutral, greige provides the perfect backdrop for any change. It's a palette that doesn't compete with other elements in your home. It supports them, creating a balanced and harmonious atmosphere. It's also a great choice for small spaces. Unlike darker shades that can make rooms feel cramped, greige enhances the sense of space, making rooms feel open and airy. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're pairing it with minimalist furniture, vintage pieces, or modern art, greige complements all styles effortlessly. Greige is more than just a trend, it's the future of modern interior design. Its soft, neutral tones work seamlessly with any style, creating a peaceful, stylish, and elegant space. Whether you're using it as the main color in a room or as an accent to add depth and balance, Greige will elevate your home to new heights. So, are you ready to transform your living space with Greige? Embrace this minimalist color palette and watch your home become a serene, sophisticated retreat. With Greige, your home will feel both modern and timeless, providing the perfect atmosphere for relaxation and style. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. We'd love to know how you're using Greige in your home.